everyone, it's Cathy Zielske. Welcome back to my channel and the craft/dining room. Got something a little different for you today. We're going to refresh and update the craft/dining room. I bought a new organizational piece. I'm gonna try to figure out how to work it in. I'm gonna change my mind, as you will see. This is dedicated to all of you bedroom or dining room or corner of the kitchen crafters. I feel that. Coming up next. It was time to get another shelf for my inks because my collection is expanding. So I'll show you where I plan to put it. We're gonna add it right in here. Just like that. That's where we're gonna put it. I think that's gonna be great, I think. Okay, apparently this is a little different than before and I'm gonna have to figure this out. I'm a little torn. Like I don't know if I want to put it up on the wall yet. See, someday I might migrate out of this space. Someday I might go upstairs and just turn my whole office into a craft room. So I think what I'm going to do is just move all of my distress inks into that and leave it on the counter for now. Good thing, though, I have spacers. I think what I need to do is, because I ordered a size that is a little smaller than that guy, I'm going to use that just for distress oxides. And this guy here, I'm gonna fill in with my most used embossing and black inks on the right side. And then I'm gonna add my brand new Concord and 9th inks. Let's do it. Next, I have to take a few of my distress ink spacers to pop over here. And then I have to reorder my oxides. And that's what I'm gonna do next. All right, I think I do like I can't remember. You have to fold it in like a W. So do I go dead center? I don't know, 1.5 inches or an 1.25 inches, and then I actually pulled one out that's actually correct. So I'm gonna open this up. Let's just take off 1/4 inch. Okay, good thing I have a bunch of these, right? So 5 inches and 5 inch. Oh gosh, that's all we needed to do. Oh, this is exciting. Then you go 1 1/4 inch score line. And over here, we're gonna go 2.5. And then we're gonna come over here. I think it's gonna be right at this guy. Now let's see, is that the look? Then you go like that, that. Oh, baby, that's what, I'm gonna make some of those. Truth be told, I only have a few full-size distress ink pads, and I generally keep these in the minis, and they are coming out at some point, but I'm gonna go ahead and put these on the shelf as well, and then I'll show you my minis just because, I mean, we're here. So all of my minis are also in these awesome OrganizeMores. I've got Gina K. Now here's the thing with the distress inks, when the new ones come out, I'm gonna have to spill them over into this one, which holds all my Hero Arts cubes and my Concord and 9th cubes. But these trays have been awesome, and these stay nicely in here. For now, I'm not gonna mount this on the wall, but check it out. I have a place to put a few more things. I don't know, I could put a few more display things. I could actually center that. And I think for now, this is gonna be what I do. True story, most of the time, the craft/dining room is a hot mess. And I've already made a decision in my mind that when maybe when I hit 40,000 YouTube subscribers, I'm gonna do a big old tour, and just really, really get into it, make it a little bit better than what I've shared before, because I have a video that I did as part of an Instagram Live. And it's just, it's just okay. And it'll give you an idea, but really, this is it, man. But I think The other thing I'm going to do where that pile of goodness is, I'm going to turn that into my cutting station, because I used to have my paper trimmer here, but maybe I don't want it here anymore because I don't want my table to get, well, I don't know. Hope you enjoyed this little refresh of the craft/dining room. This space is always a work in progress. I am always trying to figure out how to get stuff out, get stuff in, and make it all work. It's a dining room. We don't eat here. There's a table right over my shoulder in the kitchen. Then that's where we eat our food. I'm always thinking. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you back here with another video soon. Alas, I did turn it into a cutting station. Thanks so much for watching today. I would love to have you become a subscriber to my YouTube channel. And if you do subscribe, be sure to hit the gray bell below the video so that you don't miss the next time I post. Here are a couple other videos that you might be interested in watching. Thanks so much and have a great day.